So we're here at Villaggio. So we have to start early because I only have a limited time here in Doha. So today we are going to try spend time here at Villaggio. So we have two options, either go to Mall of Qatar or Villaggio. So I prefer personally Villaggio because it has good interior. But Mall of Qatar is also good and it's really big and it has Cheesecake Factory. That's it. But
Wow,
after that,
Cheesecake
we're going
Factory.
to try and go to Sea Line for ano ba?
Camels?
Yes, right. How's Villaggio?
So I'm
Alright, so we are going to try and ride gondola. So it costs only 10 reals per person. So first you have to pay in cashier.
Sheer?
And wait for kuya. And then some kuya are very nice. You can ask them to take a photo of you if you are two in the boat. Some they can't, so you take selfie.
Yeah. Ay, ito na pala. Thank you. Do we have to wait? Or... Whee! Hello! First time ride. Let's go. Yahoo! Te. Ah. Good morning!
Ano, pili?
Is it mababaw?
Oo.
Yes. Can I
Jump?
make
Of
the
course
last,
not.
Good morning. How is it?
It's very relaxing. The ambience.
Wow.
Like the stores, I like the ano.
Yeah, this is one of the way you can see everything inside the mall. So if you like something, then you walk after.
That's why Villaggio is the name.
Yes. Wow, we have a neighbor. Hello. Hi, neighbors. Hi, neighbors. So relaxing. Almost there. Thank you, my kuya. So fast. Yay! Guys, so done with the gondola. We're going to exchange some money. So I usually go here Carrefour also. So we'll check some items and exchange. Ayaw daw niya mag-grocery. I miss Carrefour, in fairness. This is what I usually buy. Donuts. Okay, so here there's a lot of Filipino food in the grocery. Oh. Meron pa. Bisugo. Ayan ba? Muncher. So cute. And a lot of everything else.
I like this biscuit. Ay, teriyaki sauce pala to. Oyster sauce.
Yeah. I really like the grocery here because they have everything. And also the Filipino side, look. There's so many. I need sinigang mix. Kuya forgot to buy. That's why I wanna go. So happy you see that. Even sandwich spread and Mang Tomas. Everything is here, oh. That's why. Oh, may pansit. Pabili ako ng pansit. Ito yung sinigang mix nga dyan. Ayun! Sinigang! I saw it already. Ay, walang UFC lang. Let's see pang. Indian food also they have. Korean food also. Ayun! Sige, pagawa mo na kay kuya. Arte. Oh, may parus-rus pa eh. Bigay sa'yo ni kuya. So now we're ready for safari trip. We bought water, snacks, and Filipino food. So now we're going to Mall of Qatar using Metro. Azizia! Gold line. So we're now going to bye-bye Villaggio. Mall of Qatar. Yay! First timer. Okay, so it's our first time to try the Metro. Actually, it's much easier if we just take the Uber. But the reason why I went here to Qatar is to take the train. So let's go. We already have our card, but let me just see how much. One. Oh, you can top up. So this one is day pass. 1, 6. Oh, okay. Or that's it. So 10 and day pass. But we already have it. Whee! To the green line, we must use the escalator. Okay, Mall of Qatar, left side, and Lusail. Wow, super fun. So you can go to a lot of places. Mall of Qatar, Lusail, using the metro. So cool. So yung red line tsaka green line, nandito na siya together. Just really have to change. Wow. Nice. This one's to Lusail. 3 more minutes. Green line. To Mall of Qatar. Cute. Cute. May 2 seats. Tingnan natin pwede mo po dito. Okay. Tingnan lang natin umupo dito. Because there's 2 seats. It's so cute. I don't know. Let's see how. Feels like driving. For introvert people. You don't want anyone to see you. You don't want to talk to anyone. This is the seat for you. Cute. We're now driving the train. Passengers sit properly. Cute. Feeling driver. Almost there. Where is it? Hindi nga saan dito yun. Ay, dyan tayo galing ka lang kanina. Yun yung pinabidyohan ko. Thank you, 2 seats. Bye. Mall of Qatar. Mall day. Puro mall. So this is the Mall of Qatar. Yay! Welcome to Mall of Qatar. Grabe, batang Jollibee.
Nagpunta ng Qatar.
Oo. Nasa Pilipinas kayo Jollibee. Nasa Malaysia kayo Jollibee. Qatar, Jollibee pa rin. Jollibee everywhere. Jollibee. Mall of Qatar. Diba? Mall-mall lang. Chares.